Now to him who is able to do exceedingly abundantly above all we could ask or think, according to the power that works in us. Ephesians 3 and verse 20. And welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be installing this 18-inch deep wave unit that I got from Unice Hair on Amazon. So the wig came in this cute little box right here along with some goodies. So a bit about this unit. This is their 18-inch 150% density 13x4 transparent lace frontal unit. I'll leave all the information in my description bar down below, as well as a discount code so you can go and check them out on Amazon to purchase this unit. This wig is definitely gorgeous, you guys, and the curl on this unit is definitely bomb. It's definitely a 10 out of 10 when it comes to the curl and the texture of this unit. So I'm going to be showing you how I installed and finessed this deep wave unit. So if you are interested in that kind of content, well, keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't as yet. Give this video a big thumbs up and to comment down in the comment section bar down below. So let's jump right into the installation process of this deep wave unit from Unice Hair Company. So the unit that I'm going to be installing and reviewing today is in collaboration with Unice Hair Company on Amazon. They were gracious enough to send me over their 18-inch transparent deep wave unit. So inside of the box, along with the wig, I also received some goodies as well. I received a pair of eyelashes, a headband, and a stocking cap. So a bit about this unit. This is their 150% density 13x4 transparent lace unit, and I got this wig in 18 inches. So the knots on this unit came pre-plucked, but I did went in to pluck this unit and to bleach the knot as well. So a bit about the inside cap construction of this wig. It has two combs on each side of the wig, one to the back, and it also comes with adjustable straps as well. So let's jump right into the installation process of this 18-inch deep wave unit from Unice Hair Company. So the wig that I'm going to be installing today is in collaboration with Unice. This is the 18-inch deep wavy wig. This is the parting space. One thing about this unit that I don't really like is that it doesn't really have enough parting, so it only can be part in the middle. There's not really enough space around the wig, as you guys can see, just like to the middle. So to begin the install, as usual, I'm going to be tinting the lace on this using my Black Radiance contour palette, and I'm going to be using the darker shade in this palette to tint the lace. So I'm just gonna go ahead and tint the unit. So I already went ahead to do my ball cap method to make the install easier. So I'm just gonna adjust the adjustable straps to the back and cut off the extra lace to the back before I begin the install. So once I have the unit positioned where I want it to go, I'm going to cut down the lace in 4 smaller sections to the front portion, and then I'm going to go ahead to cut off the lace around my ear tabs area. So once that is done, I'm going in with my rubbing alcohol to clean off any sort of extra makeup before I begin to install the glue. I'm going to be using my Kiss Almighty glue to do this install. So I'm going to be doing about 3 layers of this glue today. So I went ahead to apply 2 layers of my Kiss Almighty glue today. After I finish applying the glue, I just blend that out with the end of my rat tail comb to make sure that the glue is evenly distributed on my cap and around my hairline area. So once that is done, I'm going in with my blow dryer just to set everything, and I'm just going to repeat the same process as I did the first time. So once I finish applying both layers of the glue and it's tacky, it's time for me to pull the lace onto the glue. So I'm just gonna take my rat tail comb just to further meld everything together. And to the front portion, I'm just going back in with a little bit more of the Kiss Almighty glue to make sure everything is secured. And then I'm going over that with my Escher lace spray just to further meld everything together. So now I'm just going to be taking my elastic band just to further melt the lace a little bit more. So while the lace is melting, I'm going to work on my parting space. So I just decided to do a middle part, and I'm going to be taking my Wig Dealer wax stick just to sleek the front portion of this unit, and then I'm going over that with my thermal hot comb to make sure that the top of the wig is as flat as possible. So once the lace has been melted, it's time for me to cut off the extra lace to the front portion. So I'm just taking my cuticle scissors and I'm cutting in a jagged motion. And as you guys can see, this lace is bomb. This is their 13x4 transparent lace frontal. So this lace melted perfectly with my skin complexion, and it's definitely giving you guys like what lace. So once I'm done cutting off the extra lace to the front portion, I'm going in with my Escher lace spray just to set everything together, and over that with my blow dryer. So once the lace has been melted, it's time for me to work on my baby hairs. So today I'm just gonna be doing a minimalistic amount of baby hairs to the front portion. So I'm just going in with my cuticle scissors just to cut down the hair. And today I'm going to be using my Holy Grail, my Gorilla Snot Gel, to lay my edges.
Something personal, how they don't feeling is reversible. Just pain is why it hurts to go. You attend high, my mistakes are so I don't ever question you around. I'll tell you fine, perfect rush to like a baby going through the line. I still guess myself, but I'm a couple steps behind.
So once I'm done laying my edges, I'm going over that with my Escher lace spray again just to set everything in place. So I'm just working on the finishing touches for my edges. So I went ahead to damp my hair with some water and conditioner. This is the conditioner that I use, Beaufied conditioner. Find the parting space, I'm using this palette. So once I'm done finessing the parting space, I'm going over that with my Iso Plus hair sheen just to add a bit of shine to this unit. And I'm just going in with my Duvolle blow dryer along with my diffuser to diffuse the curls a bit so that it could give a little bit more fluffy effect. So this is the end installation process of this 18-inch deep wave unit from Unice Hair, you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and see you in my next video. So you guys, this is the end result of this 18-inch deep wave unit from Unice Hair. The curls on this unit is everything, you guys. So a bit about this unit. This is their 150% density transparent lace frontal, and it's a 13x4 lace frontal. So I decided to go with a middle part because there's not enough parting space at the size of this unit. So this unit retails for $179.86 on Amazon. So if you are interested in purchasing this unit, I'll leave all the information in my description bar down below, as well as my discount code, so you can purchase this unit. So far, this unit is a 10 out of 10. The curls on this unit is gorgeous. So washing this unit and bleaching the knots, the curls on this unit is everything, and it's giving all the gives, you guys. So far, so good. So thank you so much for watching this installation process of this 13x4 transparent lace curly unit from Unice Hair Company on Amazon. So thank you so much for watching, and until next time, see you in my next video. And always remember to put God first in everything that you do. See you in my next one. God bless.